He isn't feeling too well. His nose is clogged up. Got a headache and slight temperature.